I'm not wearing my bra. I use this boob tape. So see, no bra and no bra. So well, I will show you how did I put this one. So this one, get a seat. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this Vbt Boob kit. I got this for free. Thank you very much for sponsoring this product to me for a review. So thank you very much. So my amigos and amigas, before we start, I like to do unboxing with you, my amigos and amigas, what's inside this package. Actually, I used it already the other day because I'm so excited and I really like it. But before we do the review, I like to show you what's inside of it. So this one, my amigos and amigas, the Vbt nipple cover boob tape breast tape kit. So let's do unboxing. So in this box, my amigos and amigas, there are two boob tape. The black one, which is still in plastic because I haven't used it. The other one is the nude one tape. I used it already for 2 days and it's good. See? And it included is the nipple cover. This one is a silicone type. The other one is a satin, which is I'm wearing right now. So this one, 2 pairs of course. And the other one is the double-sided tape usage. This one for your clothes, my amigos and amigas. And the boob tape manual. This product is a life changer for a woman because if you're wearing a top like a halter top, a tube one, you can use the Vbt boob tape because you can style it in every way. Just make it so creative. In this manual, my amigos and amigas, it will show you how to style it like this. Okay, so a lot you can style it. Okay, but this one in the front of the manual, this is the one I do because I'm wearing the top right now. Okay, let me show you, my amigos and amigas, how did I do it. I mean, first you measure your boobs horizontally like this one, and measure how much longer for your lower, for the lower part like this one. And after you cut it, my amigos and amigas, the one that you cut, you should put here. But before you put this one, put the other tape here like this, and you put this horizontally like it's gonna lift your boob part like this one, and do the same thing in your other one. So I can say this product is very good, must have by every woman. So I can say good quality, easy to use, and easy to remove as well. So I can say, I can rate this one 10 out of 10, my amigos and amigas. I will put the link in the description box, and do check out their other products, okay? The Vbt boob tape or boob tape kit, okay? My amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me.